At Fayetteville State University, we make way for the nation's top nurses. Nursing is more than a major, it's a mission. At FSU, you'll start with a strong academic foundation, then move into hands-on training where you'll practice skills, communication, and clinical judgment. And you won't do it alone. You'll learn alongside peers and faculty who are invested in your growth, so you stay supported while you're being challenged, learning the science of care, and the confidence to act when it matters. If you're already an RN, earn your bachelor's through our RN to BSN program. Already have a degree in another field? Fast-track your path to nursing through the top-ranked accelerated BSN program, which blends learning with face-to-face, state-of-the-art simulation, and live clinical experiences. Come build your legacy by being part of ours. If you're ready to turn your education into a profession, explore FSU Nursing today. Fayetteville State University. Make way.